Welcome back to Young and Hungry with Sir Andy. As you probably guessed it by now, I am Sir Andy. I'm on a mission to show you some of the most unique street food. It's got a whole pig face here. This entire thing is only for $5. You cannot beat this price anywhere. It's some of the best restaurant experience. Today we're having dessert. Mankind's second best invention after Coke. No, it's not the Coke you're thinking of. I meant Coca-Cola, that is. Desserts will always have a special place in our hearts. There's nothing better than a collection of sweet cakes, ice cream, and pastry to satisfy our cravings. In this episode, we are in Los Angeles, California, to check out some of the best desserts the City of Angels has to offer. I'm hungry. Let's go! First stop, Model T Cafe in San Gabriel Valley, East LA. For years, the shop has been cranking out some of the highest quality desserts, ranging from boba milk drinks, pound cakes, to the most popular items on the menu. Japanese style, big, fat, jiggly souffle pancakes. That is the reason why we are here today. Making these sexy jiggly babies are not easy. First, egg white is poured into a mixer to get whipped until it turns into creamy, foamy whipped cream consistency. Then the sugared egg yolk is added in and folded into the whipped cream for about 20 seconds. The whole mixture is put into a piping bag. After a quick splash of butter on the griddle, the mixture of egg yolk and whipped egg white is piped into beautiful tiny mountains of deliciousness. The lid is closed, the cakes are left to steam and brown for exactly 5 minutes on each side.
This side 5 minutes, another side 5 minutes.
Right. And after 10 minutes, you get this. Glorious, steamy, sexy, fluffy creations of God. An order here does not come with one, not even two, but 3 of these babies. They're stacked and topped with chocolate milk syrup, crushed Oreos, and a few slices of fresh fruit, so you don't feel guilty about yourself later, you know? And this is the result. A wonderful leaning tower of airy, fatty, fluffy cakes that would put the leaning tower of Pisa to shame. Look at this, I gotta do this. I mean, just look, it's so jiggly, I mean, it's so cute. I'm barely moving and this thing is just so extremely jiggly. I gotta slap it.
I'ma make you mine tonight. Pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you.
It's not that kind of show. It's not that kind of show. Now, let me cut into this beast of a pancake right here. I feel bad, I'm gonna have to destroy this thing.
I'ma make you mine tonight.
It's not that kind of show. It's hot, it's fluffy, it smells incredible. It doesn't smell eggy at all. Oh my god, that sauce. Wow, it's so incredibly fluffy that it feels like cotton candy. You know, when you bite into it, everything just squish and it just kind of disappear in your mouth. Wow, it looks big, but actually it's not. It is not a big meal at all. Oh, a meal. I'm calling dessert a meal. This is getting crazy. But the fruit are obviously fresh. It gives it a nice balance to all the sweetness of the chocolate and the sugar. Really good. So I'm gonna try to finish this one. Let's move on to the next one. Let's go. Next up, just right across the street from Model T Cafe is the tiny little tea house that packed a heavy flavor punch. This is Chicha Sanchen. Chicha Sanchen. Yeah, Chicha Sanchen. The shop is one of the newest additions to the giant franchise that originated from Taiwan in 1998. Since then, this not-so-tiny brand has conquered the world and millions of bubble tea addicts. There are over 200 stores in Taiwan alone. Yes, over 200. Chicha Sanchen only picked the best tea leaves to make their tea, culminating in them winning the blind taste test by the International Taste Institute in 2019 and 2020. As soon as I announced my presence, I was greeted by the store manager, Winnie, who is such a welcoming and a friendly person. However, she's extremely camera shy, so I had to blur her face upon her request.
Remember to blur my face, okay?
She totally recommend the bubble milk tea here and the cassia black tea with mousse here. I think their signature black tea here is the cassia black tea. And I was like, I just want one, you know, it's just for me, and I can't have two. And she was kind enough to throw in the boba milk tea for me, so that's 2 drinks. Hey man, I can't complain. They are just incredibly nice over here. Alright, let's give it a try. This is full sugar. Alright? Alright, normal ice. Oh, it's so light. Oh yeah, it's not like extremely sugary like the other places. It's really light, it's really good. Is it black tea or what kind of tea? Black tea. Just oolong? Not oolong, just black tea? Wow. It's really incredible. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright, what should I try next?
The cassia black tea with mousse
Yeah.
and perfect sugar and then normal ice as well.
Wow, just look at this beautiful cup. This is cassia black tea with mousse. There you go. Just right here, I'm gonna go ahead and taste the mousse first. Oh, yeah, it's good. the mousse is it's eggy, it's milky, it's foamy. It's good, but the black tea really balances it out. It's really good. So the black tea, any sugar in the black tea?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Perfect sugar.
Oh, okay.
So our perfect sugar is around 70 to 80%.
Right.
Compared with other stores.
Oh, that's why it's so light.
Yeah.
Other stores are very sugary,
Yeah,
very
it's not
sweet.
100%.
Yes. Oh, okay.
So that's why we call it as a perfect.
So the cassia black tea, where is it from?
So Taiwan,
From Taiwan. The cassia black tea.
like this.
Oh, okay.
From
Yeah, it
Taiwan.
says on the menu that is from Taiwan. Wow. I've never had it before. Wow, so
Yeah,
good.
that's why I say it. You can try it.
Cassia black tea, you gotta come and try this. So good.
Yep. The second way, you can
Right.
just put it 45 degrees, like mousse and the tea
Right,
together.
right.
And then the last one, you can just mix it together.
Oh,
Become a
okay.
milk tea.
A big kind of milk tea. So
Yeah.
do I just mix it together
Yeah.
later? Or I could
Yeah.
just shake and stir it like this?
Yeah.
There you go.
There's a 3-way.
Oh, okay. Is this a popular drink in Taiwan, or this is something that you created, your store created?
No, it's from Taiwan also.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow. There you go. The manager here has been incredibly nice, and you know, this is the real deal. You highly recommend it by me and by all the locals around here. You gotta come check it out anytime. All right. Cheers. Let's move on to the next one.
Only 2 drinks.
I offered to pay. No, it's like, but you and the manager, she didn't want to take my money. I was like, I feel so bad, you know. Like, I was recommended to come here. I didn't want to be, you know, looking for any kind of freebies, but she's so nice.
But
I
to
can't.
be honest, this is our pleasure to have you to record
Right.
the film for
Oh,
us,
okay. Yeah.
So it's fine.
Is there a way I can give tip to the staff?
No. No.
No? Moving on, this is Los Angeles' infamous Salt and Straw ice cream. For years, this trendy little shop has been setting the bars for many like it. One can always rely on them to execute the classic flavors such as vanilla and chocolate to perfection. But they are also known for strange flavors such as honey lavender,
This is a honey lavender.
caramelized turkey, and cranberry sauce. I'm getting a double split, so it's half a scoop of, what is it, coconut over there?
Strawberry coconut.
Oh, a strawberry coconut and some chocolate or brownies. There are so many flavors here that you can choose from, so feel free to come here and, you know, go all out.
Yeah, like $7.75.
There you go. Alright, here you go.
Thank you. Let me try that.
Yeah, ice cream.
Oh, the strawberries for coconut is really, really good. Wow, it's extremely fresh too. Mmm, so fresh. Man, this is extremely incredible after a heavy bowl of ramen, so, I mean, it cannot be beat. Waffle is crispy. This is right now is the hottest ice creamery in the city of Los Angeles, so you have to come check it out whenever you have a chance and whenever you come to Los Angeles. Visit the art district. They have beautiful arts out here, beautiful culture, beautiful people out here too. You gotta come check it out anytime. And I'm out for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow for some more dessert. Let's go.
Last but not least, let me introduce you to the best and the most super duper oishi Japanese cream puffs in the world. What started out as a small bakery in Osaka, Japan, has become an international sensation with over 400 stores in 15 different countries. The fluffy white beard of the owner was so renowned and beloved that he became known as Beard Papa to his regular customers. You can't go wrong ordering the classics here. Every cream puff shells are carefully filled by hands to order with rich custard made from whipped cream. It's just better to eat. Don't you believe me?
It's just better texture to eat.
They are then lightly dusted with powdered sugar, then they are wrapped, boxed, and ready to be enjoyed.
Okay, I want to try one of the original. They top it off with some, so you saw how they fill the custard right in front of us every time, fresh. And this is like, oh man, the dough is very, very crispy. Oh, flaky too. And they top it off with some powdered sugar. This is gonna be good. I've had this many, many times here. Oh man, I just know it's gonna be good. The powdered sugar is flying everywhere. Just look at this. It's so silky. Doesn't taste eggy at all. Very custardy. Very smooth. Coupled with the flaky outside, it's just amazing. I mean, just check these out. I'm gonna give these to my my brothers and my niece. They're gonna really enjoy this. All right. Oh no, I was holding the box of cream puffs and then the handle ripped. Look at the mess I just made of myself. Oh man. But the chef has been incredibly generous. He said that he would replace the order for me. I mean, it's a $20 order, you know. It's very nice of him. And a plastic bag. Yes, absolutely. Oh man, I feel so bad.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Yeah. And he's giving me a stamp card. What a generous man.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.